Welcome back, coding stars. Today in RustLand, we're throwing a gala of learning, exploring the wonders of data types in Rust.
Get ready for a fun-filled adventure. You won't just watch, you'll be part of the magic.
All right, explorers, here comes the fun part. We're going to create our own strings in Rust, and we need your help.
Like this. Let Nivaans favegorv color string equal green. Now it's your turn.
Pause the video right here and type your favorite color in Rust code format in the comments. Use the template, let your name fave king your color.
And don't forget, the best way to learn is by doing. We're excited to see your colorful comments. Code break, share your color code, and hit like and subscribe for more adventures.
Wow, what a coding fiesta we had today.
Thanks for sharing your brilliant colors and joining our data types gala. Every code you wrote is a part of RustLand's celebration. You're all doing wonderfully.
Until our next exciting journey, keep the coding joy alive. Farewell, and remember, every day in RustLand is a coding party.
For watching this here video.